In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your Payoneer account to your Etsy shop. Making sure your accounts are connected properly is crucial for receiving payments swiftly and securely, so let's dive right into it. The first step in this process is to sign up and verify your Payoneer account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Payoneer website and create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll need to provide some personal and business information, such as your name, address, and banking details. Once you've completed this step, Payoneer will likely require you to verify your account. This often involves uploading a copy of your ID or another form of documentation to confirm your identity. It's important to keep an eye on your email and Payoneer dashboard for any verification requests, as timely responses will help ensure a quick setup. Once your Payoneer account is verified and ready to go, the next step is to navigate to your Etsy shop manager. Once there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Finances and then select Payment Settings from the drop-down menu. This section is where you'll manage all of your payment-related options. Now, here's the crucial part: adding your Payoneer receiving account details. Under the Payment Settings, you'll come across an area to enter your bank information. This is where you will input your Payoneer receiving account details. Make sure you have your Payoneer account information handy, as you'll need your bank account number and routing number. Enter these details carefully to avoid any errors. A common tip here to double check the numbers, as a tiny mistake can lead to delays in receiving payments. Once everything is filled out correctly, proceed to the next step. After entering your Payoneer details, you will need to confirm and save this information. It's as simple as clicking the Save or Confirm button that you'll find at the bottom of the page. Doing this ensures that all the information you just added is securely stored in your Etsy payment settings. Take a moment to review all the details one final time before saving, just to be on the safe side. In some cases, Etsy might request additional verification of the account information you've just entered. This is a standard procedure and nothing to worry about. If Etsy needs further verification, they will reach out via your Etsy inbox or registered email. Simply follow the instructions they provide and upload any necessary documents to confirm your Payoneer details. And there you have it. With your Payoneer account set up and linked to your Etsy shop, you'll be able to receive payments seamlessly and efficiently. This setup not only integrates two powerful platforms, but also provides you with the flexibility to manage your finances with ease. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Until next time, happy selling!